Knobber Productions.
Hi, I'm Pike. Has this ever happened to you?
Man, what is Knobber Productions? And what is knob? That stuff is probably weird. I don't even know what the knob is. What's a knob? I open doors with a knob. That's all I know what to open a knob with, man. Blah, 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 blah. What's a knob, mother? What's a knob, mother? What is a knob? What's the knob, man? What's up with this Knobber Productions stuff, man? What is the knob, man?
So, I'm here to tell you about the Knob. Knob is a wonderful place full of wonderful people. Everyone remembers to pick up their garbage cans and... The hospital up in here? Where's Big Bird? Where's Big Bird? Where's Big Bird at? Cut the camera.
Children kidnapping rate.
The Knob is even safe for children. Isn't that right, Kyle?
The Knob is freaking awesome.
The Knob has the lowest child kidnapping rate ever. Look anywhere. Go to Fairfield, anywhere else.
Hey dude, who's this guy?
Are always getting...
Dude, seriously, who is it? Who is this guy?
Interrupting me.
No, I'm serious. Dude, look behind you, dude, seriously.
Stop interrupting me, dude.
No, I don't care. Look behind. Dude, I think he's kidnapping Kyle.
I'm trying to do this.
No, dude, look, dude, he's kidnapping Kyle.
No one is kidnapping Kyle.
Dude, I think he is, man.
Why do you mess up these shots every time?
I don't try to mess up the shots. Dude, he's going.
Trying to mess up the shot.
Dude, look, seriously, dude, look.
No one's gonna think the Knob is awesome. Who's gonna think the Knob when you're
Who cares who thinks the Knob is awesome, dude? He just took Kyle.
Alright, cut. Skip Kyle now. Freaking, he's hiding over somewhere. He's probably behind this car, dude. Like, you freak out over stupid stuff all the time. Like, come on.
Dude, I don't think I freaked out about anything,
come
man.
On, I got a kick out bar.
Kyle?
No prostitution.
And Knob is free of any type of prostitution. You won't see any of these girls or boys. Let's say over here. Get that out of the screen. Get that out. We don't need that over here. Move over. Craig, I know it's tempting, but you need to get the screen. And I just. God, my God, you're sweaty too. My God, you're sweaty. Can you please get? I don't want a good time. I'm not looking. Go. Walk. Go. You right? Can't even do anything because it's filth. You know, don't you hate that too?
Dude, I hate that kind of crap, man.
I mean, do you have any money? How much did you say for a good time?
Great roads.
The Knob has perfect paved roads. It's awesome. It's great driving. Why are you zooming out?
Dude, they only paved the potholes, remember?
I don't remember what.
But don't you remember? They paved over your brother.
I had a brother.
No crime.
Crime rate's good because we even have a neighborhood watch sign.
Hey dude, I think the neighborhood watch sign got stolen again.
We even have a neighborhood watch sign. Knob is practically crime-free. Nothing goes on around here.
What are you doing, huh?
Nothing to do. We're just...
Those are some nice clothes. Why don't you give me all your money right now? You think I'm joking?
I don't got no money. We just have...
Give me the camera.
Give him the camera.
Give me the camera. You want to die? Give me the camera. Give me the camera. God!
Give him the camera.
This is a nice camera. What do they got in here? Is that footage? I got a kid and a camera in the same day. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Take it back. What is wrong with you people? God.
I'll take it. Why are you taking it?
Dude,
Give it
here.
back to me.
I want to look at what all this stuff is, dude.
Nothing's discussed. Nothing's wrong. I don't even know what he was talking about. Like about that.
Dude.
Just.
Oh my. Dude.
I didn't.
You were at my shower door last night.
I didn't do that. That was.
Dude. Oh my God.
Dude, I didn't do that.
Dude, what are you doing, man?
I didn't mean to do that. That was...
Seriously, man, that's not cool.
Dude, Give me the camera. Give me the camera back.
No, man.
No,
See, no, man.
Dude.
Amazing environments.
The knob has a beautiful landscape. We even have our own forest.
Hey, dude, I think that's somebody's yard.
Never mind.
The best sports team ever.
Like sports, Nom has its own baseball team. These guys are great. This guy can run. Let me see the ball. Let me see the ball. Right,
I got it! I love pitching.
all right, go get it. Go get it.
I got it!
Yeah. This guy, one of the best runners that you can get. The Knob's baseball team really hasn't won much, but we're trying real hard. We lost to Fairfield, Talawanda about 40 times. 0-40 record.
I got first base! Where's the ball, dude? First base!
This is my shoe.
First
I was
base.
looking for this.
First base! That's the ball.
I was looking for my
First base! I got a hat!
Give me my hat back, dang it! Give me my hat back.
I got a hat! I got a hat! Swing that, I got a swing that, First base! First base!
Here is the coach of the Knobs baseball team. What do you have to say about the team?
This baseball team is over.
Swing better, better.
So, after all I've said about the Knob today, why in the world wouldn't you want to live here? It's safe, children never get kidnapped, wonderful place to...
Whoa!
Oh my god!
What the?
Call 911!
What's the number?
Dude, he's not breathing. He's not breathing. He's not.
If you were breathing,
Yeah.
what would you rate the
Yeah,
Knob?
yeah. The ambulance. I need my friend. He's.
NEDM.
If so, I'm here to tell you about the Knob and Knobber Productions. The Knob is a wonderful place full of wonderful people. Everyone remember, I messed up on that one. Hi, I'm Zach Pike, here to tell you about the Knob. Dang it! The Knob is even safe for children. Kyle's not even moving on his bike.
Yeah, the Knob is awesome, man.
That was most fake.
That was freaking. You said that was.
Like sports? Then you might want to see the Knob. I can't do it. The Knob. You have to be laying down dead.
I can't do this.
You have to be laying down
I
dead.
can't breathe.
Hurry up and do it. Lay on the feet of Grant then. Lay across the feet of Grant. You have to act dead. You have to act like he shot you. And here's the...
Come on, man.
You turn into chicken.
Oh, thank you kicked me in the face.
Go on. You sit down again. You laughed right when I started it. I didn't even say anything. And here is the coach of the Knobs baseball team. What do you have to say about this team? You're never going to be in any other baseball.
Party's over. Go home. Go. Stop watching. You suck. You suck. Ah!